Good morning children. In today's class, I will revise first two lessons. There are 2 points. I will revise not all the points. First lesson, nutrition in plants. In nutrition plants, there are 2 modes of nutrition. That is autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition means they prepare their own food, especially plants. They prepare their own food. That comes under autotrophic mode of nutrition. Whereas heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the plants depend on other plants or animals for their food. That type of mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In plants, how do they prepare food? That process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Here photo means light, synthesis means to combine or to prepare food by utilizing carbon dioxide, water and minerals and salts, and in the presence of sunlight, and while using chlorophyll. By utilizing all these things, plants prepare food. That process is called photosynthesis. Why leaves are green in color? Because they contain green color pigment called chlorophyll. Green color pigment called chlorophyll. So that is why leaves are green in color. The main function of the chlorophyll is it absorbs the solar radiation or solar energy. It can trap solar energy. Next, why photosynthesis does not take place at night? Because photosynthesis can take place only daytime, not at night, because they need sunlight to prepare. That means photosynthesis means solar energy converted into chemical energy. So after photosynthesis, what are the end products? See, by utilizing carbon dioxide and water and minerals in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it prepares food. The food is called carbohydrate. In addition to that, oxygen is released. This is photosynthesis equation. So photosynthesis can be represented in the form of equation by using carbon dioxide, water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, prepare food, that is called carbohydrate and oxygen. These two are the end products of photosynthesis. Later on, the carbohydrate stored in the plants in the form of starch. Next point is differentiate between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Already I told autotrophs, they prepare their own food. Heterotrophs means they depend on other animals or plants for their food. Next, in plants, some are parasitic, some are saprotrophic, some are symbiotic. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, there are parasitic and few are saprotrophic and few are insectivorous and few are symbiotic plant. Here parasitic means they depend on others for their food. Example, Kaspuka, that you already learned. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition, they derive nutrients from the dead and decay matter. That you know, already you learned. That is mushroom. Insectivorous means they trap the insects because the soil does not rich in nitrogenous content. In order to get the nitrogenous content, they can trap the insects. So that is why those plants are called insectivorous plants. Symbiotic means organisms, they share food and shelter and they both share their food and shelter. That type of relation is called as symbiotic relation. Example, lichens. In lichens, it is the combination of alga and fungus. Fungus provide shelter, water and minerals to alga. Alga prepares food and provide food to fungus. So this type of relation is called as symbiotic relation. These are the different types of heterotopic modes of nutrition. So this is about first lesson, nutrition in plants. Just you concentrate on these points for now. Next, in second lesson, nutrition in animals. Second lesson, nutrition in animals. Just we recall these points. First one, meaning of nutrition. And steps involved in nutrition. Third one is how does our digestive system work? Human digestive system. Next, fourth point is ruminants. Then fifth one, how feeding and digestion takes place. Digestion, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Nutrition means the mode of taking food by an organism and utilization by the body is called nutrition. That means how it utilizes in their body and how to obtain, how to utilize. That process is called as nutrition. Steps involved in nutrition means ingestion. First step is ingestion. Here ingestion means taking input. Almost all living organisms take or catch the food. That process is called as ingestion. After ingestion, next process is called digestion. Digestion means conversion of complex food into simpler substances. In almost all living organisms, it takes place. After digestion, it is next process is called absorption. Absorption means in different animals, in different organs, food is absorbed. Say for example, in our digestive system, food is absorbed in the small intestine. After digestion, food is absorbed. That is called absorption. Next step is assimilation. Assimilation means after absorption, food passes through blood vessels and finally it reaches the different parts of our body in any animals. After absorption, with the help of blood vessels or any other organs, it enters into the body parts. Body parts utilize that energy and they have to do the work. That process is called assimilation. Then next step is digestion. Next step is digestion. In this digestion, remaining unwanted or undigested food passes through with help of certain organ. See, in our body is called anus. So, with the help ejected through anus, that process is called digestion. So, these are the steps involved in nutrition. It is common in almost all animals. But only the thing is, they have different organs to involve all this process. So first step is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. Next, how does our digestive system work? First food enters through mouth, that is called ingestion, and afterwards it is chewed well with the help of salivary glands and with the help of teeth. Finally it is swallowed with the help of food pipe. Then it goes to the stomach. In the stomach it produces three juices. Inner wall produces mucus, digestive juices and digestive juices. With the help of all these juices, the protein is converted into simpler. Then it goes to small intestine. Before that, it receives bile juice and pancreatic juice. Then it will be digested well. Then afterwards, in the lower part of the small intestine, it produces intestinal juice. In that intestinal juice, food is completely digested. Then it is absorbed. That process is called as absorption. Then after absorption, food is entered into the body parts with the help of blood vessels and obtained nutrients they absorb and they have to do the work. Remaining unwanted and digested food passes into the large intestine. They water is absorbed. Again in the large intestine, unwanted and undigested food is ejected through with the help of through anus. That process is called it as ejection. This is about human digestive system. Next is ruminants. Ruminants means especially cow, beef, etc. Grass eating animals are called it as ruminants. They eat grass. In that grass there is one more type of carbohydrate that is called cellulose. Cellulose are not digested in our body because a special type of bacteria is required to digest. Those bacteria are present in ruminants. That's why they are called ruminants. They chewed it well and afterwards again it comes back to mouth again. Again it goes to stomach, then intestine and afterwards it is digested well and absorbed the food. Then unwanted food will be ejected. This is about ruminants. Next is amoeba, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Within a single cell, all life processes can take place. Though it is a single cell organism, our body is a multicellular, but amoeba is a unicellular. And also amoeba is an example for unicellular organism. How does it feed or how ingestion takes place? By moves the pseudopodia around the food particle, then it captures and engulfs it. Finally it goes to the vacuole. In that vacuole it produces digestive juice. Here, when it sense the food particles, it can move the pseudopodia like this and engulf the food particles. Then afterwards it goes to the food vacuole. This is called food vacuole. This is called nucleus. Then in that vacuole it produces a digestive juice. There food is digested. Afterwards it spreads to all parts of the body. Remaining unwanted and undigested food will be ejected from the cell membrane with the help of what? Cell membrane. This is about feeding and digestion in amoeba. So, I will revise first two lessons, not in detail. Very important point I will revise. Okay children, thank you.